Let's go to California.
Nagre-relax yung mga tao.
Hey.
If we go to California, you'd be happy and I'd still be like,
No, you won't be sad. Because there are a lot of small people there.
it's not.
Wala, kasama ko sila. Dalawa.
What? What's wrong with California?
Ay! Nagpapakilala ako sa'yo.
Let's go to California. Don't you want to go to California, UJ? Why? What? Don't touch my ice cream.
No.
Mine.
Billy, why don't you want to go to California?
Because my heart.
According to UJ,
My
people
heart is not
people
in
there
that.
taste like the sun.
Yes, tastes like sun. California's hot.
We're hot too.
No, you're not.
No, I mean like we're hot, literally
You
hot
like peppers.
and humid.
You know peppers. You're
No,
like,
we're stupid. We don't know what
You're-
peppers are.
you're chilly.
We're stupid.
You're
We
giving
don't
me
know
the
what peppers
chills.
are, my God.
What, God?
You're giving me chills. Hot.
So fucking corny now.
Diana, why you have Adam's apple?
Because Hannah is secretly a man. You don't know?
you have chest hair also. Can I see it?
Also a beard. She has to wax it every day. She has to wax it.
Is it real? You have to shave your mustache. You have mustache, eh? I know. Back in college, I saw you. You have like,
Wala akong mustache.
hindi, no.
Magagali mo.
You're cute.
Kaya naman si JM. Chinaman. AK.
Ay, bigay! Hindi ko tatanggihan.
Hi.
Sir, uwi na. Patawad ka naman kami niyan.
Bye.
Pingi.
Kung hindi ko fucking smile at me.
Pingi naman.
No. Oh, you touch it. I will finish.
This is how stupidly pathetic my life is. My God.
Kasi you're
What? Because a man doesn't say hi to you, you're pathetic? God.
Yes.
Because I think it's
Ako na lang
a
yung
big
sabi sa'yo.
problem already.
Sabihin ko na nga.
What? What are you gonna say?
Hi, Hannah.
What are you gonna say?
Hannah. Hannah, I'm so lolly.
I'm so what? You're lolly?
I love